Hello, this is Nirvana, redoing Ephesians 6:6. Not with thy service as men pleasers, but as the servants of Christ, doing the will of God from the heart. So, not, you take your right thumb, put it underneath your chin, and you want it away from you. Not. With eye service as man pleasers. So, with eye service, we're going to do work. Put your left hand out, your right arm up, and touch the top of your wrist to the bottom of the other. Not with thy service as man pleasers. Take your right hand, do the letter V, touch your right finger to your eye, motioning back towards the servants, and up, or back towards the masters, up towards the servants. Not with thy service as man pleasers, but take your fingers, cross them, move them away from each other. You have two separate points. And you're going to move the points away from each other. As the servants of Christ. So again, we're going to do work. Left arm out, right arm up, touch the top of the wrist to the bottom of the other. But as the servants of Christ, take your right hand, make the letter C, go to your left shoulder, and then down to your right hip. Christ. Doing the will of God. So doing, we're going to take both hands, and they're going to be in action. You want your hands to be in action. That's what they're doing. So doing the will of God. Take your right hand to your chest, left hand lower torso, and you have your heart, your intent, your soul, what you want to do, what you're willing to do. So you take your will, because we're talking about Yahweh, we're motioning towards Him. Will of God. Left arm up, and then God. God. So doing the will of God from the heart. So take your right hand, touch it to your forehead, the right side, and then out to a thumb. From the heart. Again, the letter C. Bring it to your left shoulder, right hand, left shoulder, up and around. So from the beginning, not with thy service as man pleasers, but as the servants of Christ, doing the will of God from the heart. Ephesians 6:6.